Hello and welcome to Oaklands College. My name's Gary and I'm the Head of Department for Plumbing and Electrical. The aim of this video is to give you an insight into life at Oaklands College for students planning to apply for a wide range of full-time courses. Here at Oaklands College we're proud of the fantastic facilities which assist our students in their learning. Our practical courses such as electrical installation and plumbing, it is vital that students develop hands-on experience in the traditional environments associated with the industry they wish to work in. In addition to this, students are supported by industry expert tutors who provide a wealth of knowledge and experience. For students who are studying apprenticeships, the ability to learn on the job is vital for their development and the opportunity to put the theory they learn in class into practice in real-world scenarios.
Hi, my name's Tally and I'm on my first year of Level 2 plumbing and I'm also in the Rugby Academy. I've always wanted to do a trade and plumbing's a really good one because you do lots of practical things, so you're always doing stuff with your hands. The teachers are really enthusiastic. With plumbing you can actually get your head down and do things, and if you do come stuck then the teachers will come and help you without asking. The biggest difference between school and college is when you come to college you get your own independence, you get a lot more support from teachers in lessons. The Rugby Academy alongside it is great, it just gives me something else to do. We get coached by Saracens players, we get coached by Rocky Clark and she's a big inspiration, she just helps us so much. I'll finish my Level 2 plumbing and then I'll move on to Level 3 plumbing and then I'll start my own business. I would recommend this course to my friends. If they were to want to start a trade or join a trade, I'd definitely push them towards plumbing because it's so practical. There's so many things you can actually do with plumbing that I didn't know.
So if you're determined to learn the skills required for a job for life, why not visit our website where you can learn more about our exciting range of courses and apply now for a September 2021 start.